Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthik. In previous session, we have seen introduction to tuple data type. So in this session, we are going to see functions and methods used with tuple. So this is part 1 of this topic. So here I have mentioned some functions, those you can use with tuple. So first one is len. So this function returns the length of the tuple. So I have mentioned here function. So you have to pass tuple as an argument to these functions. So first one is len, then max is there. So max, it returns the largest element in the tuple. Mean will return smallest element in the tuple, and sum will return the sum of all elements in the tuple. So this sum function will work with only numeric data types. So if you pass non-numeric, you will get error. So how to use this function? So for example, you have one tuple 1 2 3. So this is your tuple. So when you want to find length of this tuple, you have to pass this tuple as an argument to this function. So it will return you 3. Then max of t. So it will return you max element from this tuple, that is 3. Mean t, it will return you minimum number, that is 1, and you want to find sum of all elements in the tuple. So you have to pass this tuple to this sum function. It will return you 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6, right? So in this way, these are the functions. Now we will see these functions practically. Now we will see those functions practically. First one is len. So it will return you length of the tuple. So I will define here one tuple for all the functions. So t is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 44 22 99 0, right? So now here I have mentioned here one tuple. Now first we will find its length. So to find length, you have to use this len function. So we will take here L variable, and in this L variable we will get length of this tuple. So this is the function len function I have used, and I have passed this tuple as an argument to this function. So print length, that is L. So this is the L variable, it is storing length. So if I run this code, so now I got here 14. So total number of elements in this tuple are 14. Then I want to find maximum element from this tuple. So I will use this max function. I have passed this tuple as an argument, and I will print here max element m. And if I run this, 99, right? So maximum number from this tuple is 99. That's why I got here 99. So now next we want to find minimum element. So I will use here mi min t, and we will print this on the console, min element. And if I run this, so min element I got 0. So 0 is the minimum element. Now I want to find sum of all elements in this tuple. For that I have to use sum function, right? So I will use here t sum equal to sum function I am using, and I am passing this tuple as an argument, and I will print this sum on the console. If I run this, I got here 200, right? So in this way you can use these functions with tuple. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.